Welcome to another video of the corporate series. My name is Felipe Esquivel and I work as a paralegal at Quatro. Today, I will be talking about how the vaccination programs work in Costa Rica and its application to national and expats. Costa Rica is a country characterized for having a robust public health system. In accordance with this, health legislation and action plans to enforce it are an important component in the political and legislative plans of the country's government. In health matters, the governing body in the Costa Rica legislation is the General Health Law, which regulates the basic rights, duties, and prerogatives of the government pertaining health and its responsibilities. Under these regulations, the Ministry of Health created the National Commission of Vaccination and Epidemiology, hereinafter CNVE, whose main function is to determine which immunization plans are necessary. The CNVE is in charge of determining the vaccination schemes and vaccines that will be required as mandatory to prevent propagation of infectious disease. They are known as the official basic scheme, that can be extended with special schemes for people that are in specific risk group. The mandatory vaccine must be indicated in the regulation of the National Vaccination Law. As of the date of issuance of this video, the official basic scheme is composed of 15 mandatory vaccines, being the latest addition the vaccine to prevent SARS-CoV-2, commonly known as COVID-19. The General Health Law establishes that under qualified exemption, these, for medical reasons, vaccines may not be applied to a patient. The official basic scheme is thought to be applied from newborns practically until death. It is integrated by vaccines of only one dose and others of the initial dose and reinforcements to complement the specific vaccination schemes for the vaccine that are being applied. In the case of minors, parents, guardians, conservators, trustees, and custodians are responsible for vaccinations to be made at the appropriate and determined time by the CNVE and the health authorities. The General Health Law enforces the official basic scheme to be followed and transmitted from the health authorities to the educational institutions. For annual enrollment of a child in the educational center, vaccination certificates must be presented as evidence that the official basic scheme has been completed, according to the age of the child that is being enrolled. To ensure an effective access to vaccination, the health authorities, in collaboration with educational institutions, carry out the vaccination campaigns, where doctors attend schools and apply vaccines to the children according to their age. These campaigns are recommended, but they are not mandatory. Commonly, the vaccine against the yellow fever is the only vaccine required for traveling foreigners. Outside of that one, the Health Ministry has a list of recommended vaccines for travelers, but this is not mandatory. This applies for travelers in transit. However, foreigners that request their permanence in the country can be requested by immigration authorities to submit a valid certificate of vaccination or any other health certificate requested by Health Ministry. For more information, visit us at Quatro Legal and go to our resources page. If you don't find what you're looking for, please write us and let us know. We'll produce a blog or video for you.